In this video, I'm going to try to explain to you your agricultural science individual investigative study, which is worth 25% of your leaving certificate. Your individual investigative study is based around the following theme: improving sustainability in Irish agriculture. The first stage of this project is choosing a specific agricultural enterprise. This simply means choosing a family farm, whether that be a dairy, beef, sheep, poultry, equine, tillage, horticultural, or even a multinational company based around the agricultural sector. However, it does not mean picking something very broad and large like the dairy or the beef industry. Once you have an agricultural enterprise chosen, the next step is to develop a research question that is based around the following theme: improving sustainability in Irish agriculture. Sustainability has several different meanings. However, we will be focusing in on either economic sustainability or environmental sustainability in relation to Irish agriculture. Research questions should not be too broad or too narrow. They should also take the form of a debate-style question, looking at both sides of the argument. Usually, research questions do not start with when, why, or what, but instead they should start with should, does, could, are, and is. The research question I am investigating is: does using organic fertilizers compared to artificial fertilizers for crop growth, i.e. grass, help to improve earthworm population? The specific agricultural enterprise could be dairy, beef, or sheep, and the sustainability aspect I am looking at here is improving earthworm population through organic fertilizers compared to artificial fertilizers. Increasing earthworm populations in our soil will have huge positive impact on our soil health. Equally, reducing the amount of synthetic or artificial fertilizers that we use and using more organic fertilizers is more environmentally friendly. When you have a research question made, then the next step is to do some background information on this topic. In my case, I will be researching the benefits of having high earthworm populations in our soil, as well as the environmental impacts of using organic fertilizers compared to synthetic fertilizers. When conducting background information, it is important to ensure that the information is correct. You can ensure this by using the following resource: cards. Is the website, book, journal, or newspaper article credible, accurate, reliable, relevant, up to date, and does the author source its information from credible and reliable sources? When you have your background information complete, the next stage is to conduct your experiment. When conducting your experiment, whether it be in the lab, at home, or on the farm, it is important to pay particular attention to health and safety, to following the scientific method, that it is a controlled experiment, meaning that it has a dependent, independent, and control variable, as well as collecting or gathering primary data. When you have completed your experiment, it is important to analyze and draw conclusions from your results to see is there any correlation between your results and what you stated in your hypothesis. The final stage of your individual investigative study is your reflection on your project. What did you learn? Was your research question answered? If you were to do it again, what would you change? Is there any advice you could give to farmers? Questions such as these should be thought and reflected afterwards.